What is going on, guys? So today I want to get two things, or maybe three things accomplished. So I want to get the Viking shocks off of Turdzilla. I want to put them on the Bullitt, and I also want to take the front coilovers, the Viking double adjustable coilovers, and put them on the Bullitt as well. The Bullitt has UPR coilovers, so they're still not bad. So we're going to swap those to the Bullitt, and we're also going to try to put the Cobra wheels, the street wheels, on the Bullitt. I'm going to head over to O'Reilly's and get some new lug nuts, because this thing has some sketchy looking lug nuts. And yeah, I have work at 2, so hopefully we can get that accomplished before then. We've got a few hours, so let's go head over. We're going to roll in the Whipple S550. Ashley actually took the truck. In case you guys have forgotten, this car is plenty loud. Plenty loud. Alright, we're gonna go into O'Reilly's and get what we need. Alright, so I got the lug nuts. These are the spline ones, so these fit more wheels and also original wheels. And they come with the tool. And these are only like $30, and they fit pretty much all years, all the way up until 14 when they changed the thread pitch for the 15. So if you're ever looking for these, they're always at O'Reilly's. Alright, so I just made it back. I got about 2 hours before work to make this happen. So let's see what we can do. First thing I'm going to do is the shocks, because they're super easy on these cars. I'm going to swing this around to the back, make these face the back of each other, get them jacked up, and swap the shocks from this one to this one. Alright guys, so I've been working on this, and shocks are super easy, but I am getting very, very annoyed. This is why I usually like to have someone to help me while trying to do something. The shock threads are spinning while I try to loosen the nut on the top. The shock is already loose down here, but yeah, I'm having some problems, and I'm very, very annoyed right now. Both cars are jacked up, but can't really do much, so I guess I'll swap the wheels while I wait for my impact to charge up. Alright, so I got the Viking shocks out of Turdzilla. These are the double adjustable ones. Now we're going to pull the ones out of the Bullitt. We also put the XXR on. I just got the lower shock bolts loosened up. I think I got a method to do this now. So I'm sorry I'm not showing the whole process, but I got to get it done before I got to leave for work. And I don't have a second person here to help me with filming. But basically, just loosen up the lower shock bolt right there. Then you got two upper ones right here behind the interior stuff, and then the shock drops out. Alright, so I'm just wrenching over here, and I happen to spot some of these. Well, now we know that this car isn't a virgin. Anyways, I'm going to continue pulling out these shocks and dispose of these old things here. Alright, so I have the Viking double adjustable shocks out of Turdzilla. I have the Tokiko shocks that are going to be going in Turdzilla. Let's go ahead and put the Vikings in the Bullitt. Alright, so the Bullitt's on the ground with the XXRs and the new Viking shocks. So anybody want to buy some expired condoms? Yeah, I didn't think so. And they're gone. Alright, so that is all we're going to get accomplished. We got the shocks swapped from this to this and put the Cobra wheels on. So later on I'm going to pick up this video, hopefully with Zach, and we'll get the front coilovers swapped from this to that. And then we'll be in action. Alright guys, so it is later and we're going to dive into these two, the front suspension. We got Lee here and we got the Bullitt facing Turdzilla. And we're going to go ahead and pull the wheels off these and basically get everything swapped. The front Viking double adjustable coilovers going to go from here to here, and then this has UPR coilovers that are going to go to Turdzilla. The goal is to get the UPR coilovers at the same ride height that the Vikings are, and the Vikings will pretty much just take that ride height that Turdzilla is currently at and put it right onto the Bullitt. So we're going to get started here. I am still getting over a cold, so my voice might sound a little weird, but we got the Bullitt jacked up. Now we'll get Turdzilla jacked up and we'll get swapping. As you can see, these are the UPR coilovers. They're going to go on Turdzilla. Alright, well, unfortunately, my Harbor Freight gun is tired after taking the two off of here. We got the coilovers right there. We're ready to take these off, but we need to get the strut bolts off, and the only way to do that is with a powerful impact. So we're going to let my impact charge up for a little bit. Hopefully that's enough to get these off. Once these are off, those come out. They go on the Bullitt, and I can even put Turdzilla back together later. Just need to get the Bullitt back up and running so that I can bring it tomorrow to figure out the tune issue. So it is a while later. We have had issues with the impact gun, but we finally got these loose. We ended up going to Walmart. This is the only thing they had. This was a complete $90 fail. We're going to return that junk. We tried to rig this up with an impact. We kind of knew it wasn't going to work. Turns out the Harbor Freight let us, well, didn't let us down this time. It just took 4 charges. 4 charges. But here are the beautiful Viking double adjustable coilovers that we're going to be putting on the Bullitt. We got one side already done, got this side go, and then we'll put Turdzilla back together another day.
Yeah, because it's getting late. So it's 2:30 in the morning. Angie and I are both exhausted. He's kind of losing it.
I am not losing it.
Losing it's an understatement for this man tonight. That's what you guys get for him working on his own projects.
Alright guys, it has been a wild night, and we're finishing up here. I'm going to let her out down on the ground. Pretty sure the front's going to be pretty slammed. Rear's just going to be the same. Oh. Yeah, that's not good, Lee.
Okay.
Just lower it down nice and slow. I mean, it's got wheels on it, so, you know, nice and slow. But did you die? There we go, Lee. Yeah, it's getting teeter-totter, but yeah, you can let it down.
Still going slow.
That's the way we want to go. There we go. That's looking good. A little bit better than the last go-around.
Yeah, a little bit.
Alright, this thing's gonna look good on the X6Rs. I apologize for the lack of lighting, but we're gonna let her down. We got a little bit of lighting. Alright, Lee, send her. All the way. Oh, yes.
Look, it's all the way up now.
Yeah, I figured that would happen, so we can tighten those down now that the car's on the ground. Hey, Lee, you want to push her down? Give her a quick push. Oh, yeah, dude. That looks good.
It looks mean. I'm liking it.
I like, dude. Yeah, buddy. Alright, man. Hell yeah. I probably sound like an idiot. I probably have looked like an idiot. I've done a lot of stupid things off camera because I'm tired.
Don't hate this, guys.
This is Lee's phone. 2:38 in the morning. Hell yeah. The light went on. I'm sorry, neighbors, if you are watching this. It had to be done.
I think there's enough threads on that one, though.
Huh?
Hey, we need to go a little bit more on that one.
I'm just gonna do it in the morning. That way the gun's nice and charged up too.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is gonna wrap it up the video here. Huge thanks to Lee for coming over and helping. I couldn't have done it alone. Got a little goofy there. Lee is taking off in the ST. So we now have Viking rear shocks, double adjustable. And then we have Viking coilovers up front. They're the double adjustable as well. These are both the Warrior setup. So everything should be good. I don't know if I'm rambling or not. Make sure you check out the key tags and the link in the description down below. We also have new t-shirt designs. I'm going to be coming out with some more. Those are right below, and I'm super excited about those. Turbo Bullitt is coming along. We're dropping it off at SCT tomorrow to figure out our issues there. And yeah, slap a like button, comment, let us know what you think. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. We'll see you guys next time.